These are Pompeii archaeological ruins. And it is really sad to see what happened to those people. Maybe in a split second, it's perhaps it was something like Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Can't say, but it's quite sad to see things happen. The irony of the fate and beauty of nature. Flowers are blooming here in the ruins of Pompeii. See the nature and the ruins. Each one has its own